How to easily back up your computer data. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open File Explorer on your device. Once you do, in order to create a backup, you simply need to go to this PC folder and you can create a new drive or connect an external drive to your device so that it appears here. And there you can transfer your backup folders. So to create a backup, simply click on the local disk. After that, you will see a lot of folders inside it. Simply go to Users. There you will see 2 or 3 folders in your user account. Simply choose any one of the account which you want to use. After that, simply go to SS at the top. Copy or cut any folder which you want to make a backup of. After that, head all the way back in this PC folder where you have connected your drive in which you want to share your backup folder, and there you can simply paste it. So that's it. Just like that, you will be able to create backup of your computer data easily. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.